On the outside, the five of you are villains, predators, remorseless sociopaths.
Oh, stop it. You're making me blush.
We're the bad guys. And this is the crew. Mr. Snake, Serpentine, Safe Cracking Machine, Imagine Houdini, but with no arms.
Jackpot.
Yes! Miss Tarantula, our in-house tech wizard.
Where'd you learn to do that? Mostly YouTube.
Mr. Piranha, he's brave, crazy. What's up, Papa? And Mr. Shark, master of disguise. His greatest trick, stealing the Mona Lisa disguise as the Mona Lisa. And rounding out the crew is me, the big bad wolf. We may be bad, but we're so good at it.
Arrest them!
We're out of here.
So long, suckers. Don't win nowhere.
Well, this just got a little weird.
No! Wolf!
If only we were given a chance to be anything more than criminals.
If you want to stay out of jail, you need to go good.
What are you doing?
We're gonna pretend to go good. The bad guys become the good guys so we can stay the bad guys. You know what I'm saying?
It's fantastic. Wolf, you're a genius.
Welcome to the first day of the rest of your best life.
Look, it's a cat stuck in a tree.
What does your heart tell you to do? A good person would
Smack it.
In it. Stab it.
Saute it.
It's so obvious. I want you to save it.
Oh, right.
Here
The good guy.
We're more than just scary villains. They love us.
You're such a good boy.
Maybe I don't want to be a
What? A bad guy? No. We'll always be bad guys.
Let's try something simpler. I'm going to give you a push pop.
Just for me.
No, to share.
This is gonna taste extra sweet.
Nope. Sucker. I teach you to share. Totally worth it.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Tepangkeun nami abdi Egi salaku pengisi sora jeung tepangkeun rerencangan abdi audio salaku pengedit video ieu. Dina video ieu abdi sareng rerencangan abdi bade ngabahas ngeunaan resensi film anu judulna The Bad Guys. Di handap ieu identitas film The Bad Guys. Identitas film sutradara Pierre Peripel, produser Damon Rose Rebecca Huntley, ditulis ku Ethan Cohen, skenario Ethan Cohen, perusahaan produksi DreamWorks Animation Studios, distributor Universal Pictures, genre komedi perampokan, tanggal rilis 25 Maret 2022 di Indonesia, 22 April 2022 Amerika Serikat. Durasina 100 menit. Pemeran jeung pengisi sora Sam Rockwell numerankeun Mr. Wolf, Mark Maroon numerankeun Mr. Snake, Aquafina numerankeun Mrs. Tarantula, Craig Robinson numerankeun Mr. Shark, Anthony Ramos numerankeun Mr. Piranha, Richard Ayoade numerankeun Profesor Rupert Marmalade 5, Zazie Beetz numerankeun Diane Fockington, Alec Brostein numerankeun Misty Luggins. Sinopsis. Film The Bad Guys nyaritakeun sakelompok jalma jahat anu dicoo ku sababaraha karakter sato. Unggal anggota The Bad Guys boga kaunggulan nu saling ngalengkepan. Mr. Wolf katelah copet dasing, Mr. Snake salaku pemecah kolong, Mr. Shark leuwih dipikawanoh salaku disguiser terampil. Nyonya Tarantula mangrupikeun hacker ahli anu ngagaduhan basa anu seukeut sareng Mr. Piranha nyaeta otot pondok. 5 penjahat ieu geus kawentar pisan, aranjeunna sok ngalaksanakeun tindakan kriminal, ngajarah sareng ngumpulkeun barang-barang anu dipalingpikeun nyalira. Nepi ka muncul misi anu kacida gedena ngalibatkeun jalma rea. Kaluwihan The Bad Guys nampilkeun alur carita dinamis anu cukup gancang dina hal waktos carita. Plotna dibeungkeut ku aksi anu pikaresepen. Naha ngaliwatan adegan tarung atawa ngaliwatan mobil ngudag. Pangarang ngan ngaranna eta sato maranehanana, jadi eta cara palinter. Pamirsa ngora khususna tiasa nguseurkeun carita tanpa kedah nginget nami karakter. Dialogna diselingi ku konyol sareng guyonan gaya slapstick. Kakurangan aya babaraha adegan nu kurang greget. Hal eta bisa nyebabkeun panonton rada bosan. Kacendekan ulasan The Bad Guys 2022. Gambar universal The Bad Guys mangrupikeun film anu ngahibur sareng pasti cocok pikeun ditonton sareng kulawarga. Film anu nekenkeun tema silaturahim anu leres sarta eta ngabejaan carita di jero ngeunaan kasusah ngarobah persepsi hal goreng kana hal positif.
Mr.